Hello, traders. Today is Thursday, June 26th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So the pound yen definitely is starting to make a little push down. We got a little bit of a break of structure. A lot of the yen pairs look like they potentially are trying to turn down at least temporarily. I mean, this looks like a potential five ways down. This actually could be like a expanding ABC correction. I think I would have to be leaning towards, a little bit of a bearish bias, at least on the 1 hour time frame. But because the monthly, the weekly, and the daily is up, I personally am waiting for only longs. I am looking for nothing but longs. I would prefer to just let it play out to the downside. And then when it gives me a chance to go long again for the potential continuation of the higher time frame uptrend. The reason why I don't want to go short is because, these counter trend moves are very unpredictable. When the weekly, monthly, and daily are in an uptrend, the counter trend moves are unpredictable. It potentially could look like it's going down and then just keep on trending up. That's why I am only looking to go long, and I'm looking to go long at any of these pullbacks I see on these shorter time frames. So don't forget to check out my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpip.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.